have you seen, Prash, the animation, sort of video I sent you on Facebook that was with gravity experiment?
Yes. Yes, I mean, the experiments will all prove there is no such thing as gravity. Any experiment you do will finally show that gravity does not, there's no such force as gravity, there's density. Okay.
Density
Gravity is something else. There is a thing called gravity. Okay.
There is,
but not the physical force, like what they call, like between mass. Okay, I'll tell you what gravity is. Like gravity is like, when they say this person has gravitas, the word gravitas is used. Okay, that means this being has some strength, inner willpower. Okay, so that is gravity. Okay. Okay, when they say the word like gravity of the situation, that means that it is important. Something is important, something is more evolved, something is more strong, something is more powerful. That is called gravity. Okay, not like no two masses attract each other. There's no force between just two masses on the basis of mass. Okay. Okay, so gravity is an actual thing which they took and put it into this like G ray of beta, okay, which is your like a being which has gravity. Like their words have meaning. For example, if they speak something, it'll come true. Okay, then you say then your words have gravity. Okay, if you say something and they become true in the future or whatever, then your words have gravity. Okay, so that is the force. It's not any force between two masses.
Because
okay.
I released this video on Facebook, which shows experiment 1 and experiment 2 with the ball and the wings. Heavy ball in the first experiment drop very fast, and wings after, after. But in second experiment, when they make a totally vacuum, they only 2 grams of the air. The same time, heavy ball and the light wing drop down at the same time.
Yes.
So this shows, but many people still asking that if this is true, why we not flying? Why we not flying?
Okay. Okay. See, there is a, whenever you have density, even if you go in water, for example. Okay. Now, like if you're denser than water, okay, you go down in water as well. Okay. Anything which is denser will always go down. That is the multiversal law. Okay. Density is the thing. Okay. If you put something, like if you put something on yourself, which makes your body less dense than water, then you float.
Yes.
Okay. So air also has density. So whatever is lighter than air, like balloons in which they put helium. So the helium is lighter than the air, so then it goes up. Okay. So it's all density. Whatever is denser will always come down. Whether it's in water, whether it's in air.
In your words, it looks very simple and true. But why do you think people looking for more complicated theories about this? And I think that the today scientists, they put a lot of, they can't explain or they can't tell the truth to the people. So they're making very complicated theories.
I mean, the thing is, when you start lying, anybody who has started lying whenever you're in childhood or whenever you're a child, you try to lie. Like you have to make, it gets complicated. You say one lie, then you have to say another lie, then you have become 100 lies, and then it becomes very complicated. If you have to prove something to be true when it's false, you have to make up a whole lot of lies. You have to really it is a very simple thing. I mean, even at a child level, if you turn a story, like a false story, into true one, you have to make very, very complicated lies to make the thing fit in, or somehow make the thing work. So, I mean, that is when they make it complicated so that normal people think, oh, we can't understand it. Okay, it's too complicated for us. Okay, like, so that it gives you the other people, oh, we can't understand something because it's beyond us. So that must be true because it's so complicated. Then, normal people stay away from that. They automatically get a feeling that they can't get it. Okay. So that's why they make it more like, okay, these are these big formulas. They fill the whole, like blackboard with formulas. Then normal person gets terrified by all those writing. They say, what is all this? Like, I don't know anything. Like, so that is just to create a sense of unease in normal people. They can write any nonsense on there, which means nothing. Okay, but people will still think that there is something, some good important formula or something, you know.
This is like democracy, I think, because in democracy, if it's like 90% stupid people and they rule the world, so everybody has to agree with them if they're doing stupid things and silly things, and we have to accept it, because otherwise they won't accept us, and we need to survive. If we need to survive, we need to be accepted, because this is genes. This is our program in a gene that we need to survive. This is very strong, and of course the democracy now, it's that whatever TV shows, authorities from different science, everyone has to, because it seems that this is different religion. This is only the today's science. They should set the new church, new religion, and it will be the same, because
it's the same.
You have to believe only. There's no proof.
They have church as well. That's called a university. University building, is built like church. All university building all around the world, they make them like church only. Like it is the church. It's a science church of